Do you want to easily modify the exhaust in your BMW G80? I'll show you how. All right, guys, let's talk about this project a little bit before we do it and the reasons why you're going to want to do this on your car. Now, if you have a stock exhaust in your BMW, one of the things that really inhibits that more aggressive sound is your secondary cats. So when you come down from your downpipes and your big cats there, you have a set of secondary cats in your midpipe. Well, maybe you don't want to change out your entire midpipe, or you want to avoid that kind of higher cost of changing out the entire thing. Well, Masters of Design has a great solution. These are essentially short midpipes. They cut out your secondary cats. So your downpipes come in here, your secondary cats are here. We're going to go past them. We're going to cut the OEM pipes here and drop out the secondary cats, strap these in, and you're going to be good to go. It's going to make your car sound more aggressive, a little bit louder. Your burbles are going to be a little bit louder. It's a really good way to step into making exhaust changes on your car, and you don't want to fully commit to a really, really big change. So this is a great way to do it. Now, before we jump in, I'm always going to say this in this gorgeous G80, we're going to have the car in the air. Please make sure to be safe. Always make sure to use jacks and jack stands if you have them. Never just use a jack alone. You know, I really like my quick jacks, but make sure you do this in a safe way where you can be underneath your car and cut your exhaust, and there's not going to be any problems, okay? So, you know, I'm always going to say that on any project where we've got our car in the air. So I've got the car safely in the air, and we're going to slide underneath. We will be cutting the exhaust today in 2 places, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's slide underneath, and I'll show you where you cut. All right, y'all, so here's a quick example. So this is actually the exhaust out of my M2, and I can use this as a close visual example so you can see a little bit better of what we're talking about. So when you measure off the weld, you get that back part of the weld. Now this will be the driver's side when we're underneath. So you measure off that weld, and we're going to be 3 centimeters off that weld. So just come and mark a nice line. And we talked about using that hose clamp, right? So you put a hose clamp around here, and then you can draw a nice clean line. When you're over here on this side, and you measure, we've got to get past the hanger. So we're actually looking at 9 centimeters. We're here. So right off the edge of the weld, right here at 9 centimeters, and that'll put us in the middle right here. So our clamp will be in a nice even place when the clamp is on. Okay? So mark at 9 centimeters. Go ahead and put the hose clamp around it, and then mark evenly, and then you can cut. So jump underneath the car, and we're going to cut next.